2 of snow. Don't mind my dirty stuff. That's Snowy last video. See everyone's course. It's like 2 seconds after. Diet, I know, absolutely insane. Hold on, I'll put you down real quick so I can open the door so you can see the absolute madness. This should be opening. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm bad at this. Should be down, right? Is it down or wrong? Yeah, they're both down. So it must be up then. Alright guys, I'm having technical difficulties. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, we're having very big... Oh, because you guys are here, I think, maybe. I'm putting it down. Still, you're not this side. Is this ever gonna open or close? Guys, I really don't know how to open it. Door no open. It should be opening. Maybe because it's cold. Come on. Sorry, guys, I can't. That was 20 minutes of me struggling. But it's literally almost to like my roof. Just a little bit higher, like this much higher, it would have made it higher than my roof. Same, bro. Well, I guess this is it. Adios. Oh, fuck. Adios.